Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the machine, back up any irreplaceable files, and confirm you're signed into an administrator account. Once done, plug the PC into power so the process won't interrupt. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Recovery, and click Reset this PC. You're starting the only supported in OS reset path that preserves system integrity. Make sure you have time. The reset will reboot multiple times and can take from 20 minutes to several hours depending on hardware. Now you choose how deep the reset goes. You can keep your personal files while removing apps and settings, or remove everything for a full clean install. Choose based on whether you need a fresh system. Then decide cloud download versus local reinstall. Cloud fetches a fresh image and fixes corrupted local files, but uses about 4 gigabytes, while local reinstall is faster if system files are intact. Make sure to review which apps will be removed, because you'll need to reinstall drivers and third-party programs afterward. Finally, confirm your choices and start the reset. The PC will reboot and perform automatic steps. Let it finish without interruption. Once complete, sign in, open Device Manager and Windows Update to restore drivers and system patches, then reinstall essential apps. If the reset fails or Windows won't boot, use the Windows recovery environment by holding Shift while selecting Restart or Create USB installation media to run, repair, or reset this PC from outside the OS. That single recovery path resolves most persistent system issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.